Hi everyone, it's diamond painting time, and this, all in here, literally, I paid each painting $1.99 each. They've got a massive sale going on at the moment, and I think we've got 3 paintings in this one. And I was like, I'll send it over here because I'm coming over here tomorrow, so I'll, which is technically today, and I'll send them over here. But we have got, oh, look at that. They have packed them all lovely and perfect. Look at that. All 3 very nicely flat packed. Oh, that's gorgeous. So let's put that over to one side. We don't need that. And inside here we have our first one. And I thought this is absolutely gorgeous. Again, I paid $1.99 for this. And I love it when they flat pack it like this, not that rolled up situation. Unless you're a circus and you can go roll up, you know. But in here, I really like this. Oh yes, that's come out perfect. I wasn't too sure because some of these that I've got, when you see my Halloween one, which you've probably already seen before this, it was very pixelated. But $1.99 I paid for this. 24 colours. It's a 30 times 40, and it's basically like flowers mingled in with like a little strand of like the leaves and stuff. But it looks like it's just hanged upon like a shed or something. But that mint green really done it for me. And again, I paid $1.99. Now, I didn't pay this with my voucher. Some of it got put on there. I had like 70p of the Just Play game. And I put some money to this to get it ordered. So, because otherwise it would took longer to order it if I had to play that game. But anyway, so I've got that. And that's really good. And in here, these are the drills. So again, we've got some bags for you, Tessa. I'll get them out to you for you. And then in here, we have... oh yes, look at this. We've got ourselves a dark blue, a little blue, a darker blue. We've got a grey, a teal, a brown, a chocolate brown, another sort of mauvey brown there, a grey, a black, a green, and a light blue. And then let's get into the other side. I like the way it sort of like opens like that. It's like opening a book. And then in here we have ourselves, let's get that down a bit, it's a little bit high, isn't it? We've got a purple, a brown, a teal, a grey, yeah, I'd say like a blacky grey there, blue, light blue, mauvey sort of colour, that gorgeous mint green there, with another green, and another green, and a brown. So that is absolutely fabulous. Now, the next one is very Halloween-y, guys. Obviously, Halloween's coming up, and look at this! Happy Fall. Now, it's a little bit pixelated a bit with the writing, but I had to get this, and my supplier on, or seller, if you like, on Vinted had this as well, but she was charging a little bit more than this, and this was $1.99, so I thought, well, I'll get it from Amazon. But in here, look what we've got. Oh, look, the gorgeous Halloween colours. And look what it is. It is Happy Fall. So, this is quite a lovely painting. 30 times 40. We've got 30 colours there. And it's just blasted with these gorgeous flowers. You've got an orange pumpkin, a white pumpkin. And Sainsbury's are selling like a mini white pumpkin. It's so funny for £1. And you got like a little hummingbird, I think that is. But that is just gorgeous. A really sort of beautiful autumn sort of painting going on there. And I could not resist getting that. Again, I paid $1.99 for this. The link's in the description if you want it. It's a really vibrant, beautiful colour painting, and that's another Halloween one that we're doing very soon. So I might get this video up early than the others because obviously this is a Halloween sort of unboxing, so I need to get this one up first, so we'll have to think about that. We have ourselves a tray with wax again and bits and bobs, so I'll get them out to you, Tessa. And then in here, these are our drills. Oh, come on, matron. Can't get in the bloody bag. I do like that guy. You know, the one that goes, oh, matron. Anyway, so we've got orange, some other orange. We've got a brown there, and that's a lovely colour. I've not worked with that before. Probably a beigey sort of white, and then a light brown. Then we also have our orange, and we have another orange with a green. Very vibrant green, actually. We have ourselves a dark grey. A sort of beigey white again, very similar to that colour that we've got just here. So it's probably the same one. Green, and then a mauve, a black, a red, and a pink. So that's that one. And then we have these ones. I nearly went into the other painting. I've not very well prepared here. Come on, get in the package. So that's that one. And then in here we have ourselves a grey, a red, a purple. We've got a browny red, an orange, a sort of pinky white, I think. A very vibrant orange there. A brown, a grey, a purple, a red, a very lovely orangey colour, peachy if you like, a pink and a white. So really, really lovely. And then I could not say no to this. $1.99 again. This is a really beautiful, it's a little bit pixelated again. So this is very heavy on what we call confetti. So confetti is where you've got loads of different colours, and we normally call that confetti. But this, guys, is $1.99. Look at this. This is a flower, well, it's flowers and a tree, but a very gorgeous blossom sort of tree going on here. 30 times 40, 25 colours, and you've got that gorgeous blossom pink tree, and then you've got the sunrise just going into like setting for the night, and then you've got this lovely grass puddle of like all these different flowers. And again, it's going to be very heavy on confetti, but I think that's really gorgeous, and for $1.99 I could not say no to it. Again, it's one of the old style ones, so it's pixelated. It does look like they've done these in square symbols, but the actual drills are actually round. So these are the drills. As you can see, you've got your boat with the wax. Very nicely done. They've packed us with quite some goodies there. This was really, really good. But I mean, for $1.99, you can't argue with that, can you? So they seem to have quite a lot of paintings at the moment for $1.99. But there is a massive deal coming up on the 10th and 12th of October. Apparently it's Prime Big Day deals or something. It's a light Prime Day, but for everyone, I think. And then we've got purple. So loads of different purples here. We've got a lighter purple, then a lilac, and then a dark mauve. We've got a brown, a pink, a red. Very gorgeous fuchsia pink there. A pink, a lighter pink, hot pink probably for Liz. And a mauve. Oh, that vibrant blue. Look at that. That goes so well with that red. Oh, yes, baby. Look at that. Oh, yes, Union Jack. I need to get a Union Jack. Yes. And then we'll get into the next one, which is... Get into here. And as you can see in here, we have ourselves... We've got a brown, a dark blue. That blue is gorgeous. Blue is my favourite colour. Peach, yellow. An orange, another orangey colour there, a red, a brown, a grey, a peachy colour, a lilac, a black and a brown. So that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really happy with my purchases. So let me know in the comments which one's your favourite. Is it this one, the cherry blossom tree? Try and get that up a bit. Is it the that you said Harry Potter? Happy Fall, or is it this one here? I think my favourite out of all of them has to be this one, I think. But let me know what's your favourite. Thank you so much for watching. As I said, all three of these were $1.99 each, and I actually got an option that came up saying get it by 1 o'clock. So I was like, wow, because that's what's great about over here. Over at mine, you wait until God 9 o'clock at night. But yeah, all these were $1.99. As I said, I'll put the links in, but there is the chance that they'll go up and down in price because Amazon are always going up and down in price. It seems like the minute you put it in your basket, they'll try and reduce it to try and get you to buy it because they know you want to get it. But anyway, really, really lovely paintings, and I can't wait to show you more, guys. Probably from, I think the next one's going to be the works. We've got some more things coming from the works. But until then, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future uploads. And we'll see you again for another video. Catch you later.